guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a chicken parm meatloaf. I made this years ago for the first time for my mother-in-law who loves meatloaf. And she really liked it and we liked it, but I don't know why I don't make it more often. What I've got here is a pound of ground chicken. This is a Perdue. I'm just making a small meatloaf. Whenever I made that first one, I used 3 pounds of ground chicken. And I've got an egg that I'm going to beat lightly. I need a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I've got about 3 cloves of garlic that I minced up. I need half a cup of panko or breadcrumbs. I had panko on hand. Also, the first thing you also need to do is preheat your oven to 350. I need a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Oh darn, that's a little bit more. I also want to show you, I ordered some. Me and Amazon are having a intimate relationship. I ordered a 10-piece Rachel Ray bakeware set, and I got this meatloaf pan. So I'm going to spray this. Some pepper. And some salt. I hope everybody's doing okay during these trying times. Our state, South Carolina, is opening up. I think we were one of the last to close and one of the first to open up. And I'm going to use my mixer, my hands, but I'm going to use gloves because, you know. And just give this a good mix. Get everything incorporated. I want to welcome you to my channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. I've been away for a little while. I hurt my shoulder and I'm gonna have to have surgery. I've got a torn rotator cuff. It's not too bad though. Alright. I'll form this in here. And then I'm just going to take some spaghetti sauce, marinara or whatever. I've got the roasted garlic and herb. And I'm going to put some on the top. I said half a cup if you want specifics, but this won't go to waste. I'm going to be making some porcupine meatballs, and I'm going to use that with some tomato soup. Okay, my Oven's preheated. At this time, I'm just going to stick it in the oven for about 50 to 55 minutes, and we'll bring you back for the next part. Okay, guys, this is cooked for 55 minutes. Now what I'm going to do is I've got an Italian blend. It's got mozzarella, provolone, Parmesan, Romano, Fontina, and Asiago. And I'm going to turn this off. But here we go. Let's look at it. Put some on top. Alright, now I'm going to put this back in and close it up and let that melt, and then we'll be back for the next part. Okay, I'm getting this out now. In case you're wondering, over here I have some creamed white corn. You get it in your frozen section. It's in a little tube. I did a little bit different. I had some bacon that I fried. I poured the grease off, but there was still a little bit in there and a little bit of chunks of bacon, and I cooked it in that. Now what we're wanting to do is make a mess. Oh, come on. Finally. Alright, I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes, and then we'll bring you back when we plate everything up. Alright, guys. Everything's ready. This is our chicken parm meatloaf. I love this little pan. I've got my creamed white corn. And I will provide a link to this. Our Instant Pot broccoli cheesy rice. I want to thank you for joining. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And leave me a comment. Let me know about your favorite meatloaf. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share it out on your social media. Alright guys, dinner's ready. Love you, bye.